Here's how we're making maximum use of our free plus shipping front-end product. Our aim is to give the most value to customers up front and then show them their next logical step. The customer's next step could be upsold via a bonus interview video or a web class or a step-by-step blueprint. Our initial free plus shipping offer actually costs us more to produce and ship than we actually charge for the shipping. The only 3 ways to grow a business: 1. Get more customers. 2. Upsell those customers at point of sale. And 3. Repeat custom. We can afford to lose $10 on the free plus shipping order thanks to relevant high quality upsells, repeat custom and premium product sales on the back end. Reaching the goal of being able to acquire new customers for free then allows us to scale our advertising and grow our business. Check out this article on my blog for more tips on this subject. Click the link in the description below now, and thanks for watching.